Hey, what is up guys, CGTV here. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you today, which is the Apple Pencil 2. So in this video, I'm going to share the aesthetic, design, the technical specs, and one of the illustration that I drew with this Apple Pencil. So without further ado, let's check it out. This is the Apple style of unboxing. So usually their design is very minimalist. They just have the pencil on the box itself. So once we slide it out, we can see there's a few literature on top of it, followed by the main hero, which is the Apple Pencil inside. So the menu actually teaches you the basic function of this new Apple Pencil, the double tap feature, the charging port at the side, and also the replacement of nib. Other than that, the rest are just the warranty and some legal stuff. What's new about this brand new Apple Pencil 2 is that the overall design has made a change. First of all, we have seen the matte coated finish, and the shape is no longer the round circle shape, and the new charging way is just to snap it at the side of iPad. It's very convenient as compared to the Gen 1, which is protruding out from the back of the pencil. This brand new Apple Pencil 2 does not roll as much as the Gen 1, as one of the side is flat. The pencil now is shorter than before, as the length now is 167mm by the diameter of 8.9mm, and the weight is only 20.7 gram. It connects via Bluetooth, so pairing process is super easy. You just have to snap the pencil on the right side of the charging port and it's done. The menu will come out and it will indicate how much battery you left. Once you snap it, it's charging. The magnet is so strong that it won't fall off that easily, just like Thanos putting the gem on his gauntlet. The double tapping tool is so convenient that whenever you need to erase something, like your note has been written wrongly or whatever, you just have to double tap it on the side. It will change from pencil to an eraser. Snapping the finger won't work for this. So what I love about this pencil is that it comes with the palm rejection. So it recognizes actually you are using the pencil and ignore your hand kind of thing. So you can actually rest your hand on the iPad while drawing. It's so much convenient, just like you drawing on your real paper. The Apple Pencil also detects the pressure and the tube. While using it, it just feels like you're using the real pencil. So right now I'm going to have a time lapse of me drawing the Infinity Gauntlet using the pencil. Enjoy! So the real question here is that whether do you need an Apple Pencil? If you're an artist, a designer, a journalist, or a school student who takes a lot of notes, this pencil is definitely a must to have. So if you are just using your iPad to surf the net, watch movie, play game, then save that money. Seriously, you don't need it. It doesn't make you any stronger when you play game with this pencil. So what's the thing that I dislike? It's going to be the price point, as this pencil is way too expensive. But again, I guess this is the only pencil right now can do the magic. And this pencil strictly only works with the brand new iPad, as this pencil is not an upgrade from the previous generation. And if you own a Gen 1 pencil and you wish to use it on the brand new iPad Pro, you won't be able to use it too. Partly is because the Gen 2 Apple Pencil has a new way of charging, while the older generation iPad does not have the hardware to support it. Lastly, the charging. The only way to charge this pencil is to stick it on the right side of the iPad. So there's no any other way right now to charge it. So that's the end of my video. I hope it's useful for all of you. And if you do, please let me know with your like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye!